What happens if you talk to the cops without a lawyer? You get a call. We just want you to come down and explain your side of the story. When the police want your story, it sounds like cooperation. It's not. It's usually a trap. And talking to the police, why do people talk to the police? Because they think it's going to make things better. It almost always doesn't. Let's talk about that here. You don't have to be in handcuffs for your words to be used against you. And in fact, in most instances, when somebody makes a confession or makes a statement that can be used against them, that's exactly what's going on. Why is that? Because the police know, and you've probably seen enough TV to know that when a person's arrested, they have to be advised of their Miranda warnings. You have a right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. What the general public doesn't get is that warnings, those rights, only apply when a person is in custody and subject to interrogation, questioning by the police. So when a police officer says, we need you to come down here, we want you to clear some things up, we just want to hear your side of the story, they don't have to warn you of your rights. And of course, cops know this, and that's a trap. So be very careful about that kind of stuff. Cops are trained to try to build a rapport, to try to get that admission from you. That's what investigators are trained to do. There's books and volumes on how to get somebody to talk. Here's why a lawyer is important. A lawyer is aware, or should be aware, of these kind of traps and tricks, and a lawyer will step in to protect you. And in most instances, the lawyer is going to advise you not to talk to the police. The lawyer may be able to share information with the police, particularly if it's helpful and if it avoids you being charged. And in very, very rare instances, a lawyer may agree to have his client talk to the police, or more commonly, if the client has information that tends to show he didn't do it, the lawyer may, with the client's permission, share that information. But the point is, you need a lawyer to filter this and to make sure that you're doing things correctly, or else that conversation may wind up being a trap and you could wind up spending years in prison. Don't do it. Call a lawyer. Hope you found this video to be helpful and informative. By the way, if you want to see more of these, if you'll give us the thumbs up and the like and all of that. Thank you for watching. I'm attorney Andy Segal.